Inspired by the RHS Back to Nature garden, I'm going to talk you through 3 ways to connect with nature through gardening. We know that gardens can be great places to help with our mental health, and the planting you choose in your garden can help you to create a space that is calming and relaxing. In the RHS Back to Nature garden, wild trees and shrubs are combined with a cool, calm colour palette of green and blue, which provide an instant nature fix to relax and calm. Adding sensory elements into your garden means that you're directly interacting with your garden and creating memories. This garden includes a beautifully crafted hollow log for children to climb through. There's a den, waterfall, stream and a tree house. All of these sensory elements can help you get closer to nature and provide spaces for families to get together, helping to develop creativity, increase physical activity and reduce stress. Create somewhere you want to explore. Another great way to really connect with nature in your garden is to attract more wildlife into your green spaces. Having plants in your garden which attract and are beneficial to wildlife helps to make gardening a more relaxing sanctuary, place to be, just more enjoyable. And choose plants that provide pollen and nectar for as long a season as possible to encourage wildlife into your garden all year round. In this garden, the flowers, fruits and seeds provide food for wildlife, nectar for bees and for butterflies. The plants also offer nesting sites and shelter for birds and other animals. You can find lots of advice for attracting wildlife into your garden on the RHS website. The RHS Back to Nature garden has been co-designed by the Duchess of Cambridge with Andree Davies and Adam White, and you'll be able to see another garden they've co-designed at the upcoming RHS Hampton Court Palace Garden Festival.